Hello YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a Unity 2D platformer tutorial. So first what we need to do is open up Unity and create our project. That's going to set up our project. So I'm going to call it 2D platformer tutorial for you guys. And then we're going to set up this defaults for 2D. By the way, you can name it whatever you'd like. I'm just going to name it 2D platformer tutorial for the sake of this video. And we're going to set up the defaults for 2D, so it is a 2D game, and you can see it via the perspective of 2D. So now we have our main camera already set in the scene, and we can see in the game. So what we need to do is we need to import some sprites. Sprites are what's visually available, what you can see, and then you turn them into objects. So I've drawn two sprites here. I'm not the best at drawing. I did these in Paint.net. They're just simple pixel art stuff. So we're going to drag these into Unity. Really simple importing process. You just click it and drag it. There we go. So now we're going to drag it into our scene. And it's too small. Okay? So we're going to size them up. And look, it's too blurry. So what we're going to do is we're going to change all this in our sprite editor. So you click on your sprite. Go to filter mode. Change this to point. This will make it not blurry anymore. Click on format. Change that to true color. This will make the colors better, but you don't have to do this. I just prefer it. And then we're going to change our pixels per unit to 4. This allows our player to be scaled up to the unit that Unity uses. So when we click apply, he's bigger and he's not blurry anymore. So now we'll center him in the screen. And next we're going to add our floor. So first we're going to do the same thing that we did last time, except I'm going to make the pixels per unit 5 to make it a little smaller, and then drag the floor in here, center it in the screen, and then make it below the player. Okay, now we're going to make it bigger lengthwise, which we're going to take our X scale right here and change this to 5. Now we have a big long floor, so yeah. So now we have to add colliders so we can interact with them and not just fall through. So what we need to do is add a box collider 2D. Make sure it's 2D or else it does not like 2D is used for 2D games. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. So box collider 2D, let's add that. And Unity is really awesome and already adds this for us. Now you might be questioning yourself saying, why is this not complex and a collider around his corners? And the reason for that is it just isn't very smooth when you have that custom collider on it. So I'm just going to be using the simple box collider. Same with the floor. Floor just needs a box collider, 2D, of course. And then we play, and he doesn't fall, of course. So what we need is a rigid body 2D. This allows forces to be added to our player. It is like the physics of our player. So this will make him so he can fall. Okay. And then we can add forces to him later, like if we want to jump or whatever. Yeah. So, by the way, if he's walking, he'll just fall over. Now, no one wants him to just walk and fall over. So we're going to change this to fixed angle. Fixed angle allows him to stay up straight so he doesn't just fall over. Because you don't want your guy to fall over. So this has been the basics of the tutorial. So there we go. We have our guy. And we have our project already set up. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I do gaming things on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I also do tutorials. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, thumbs it up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.